Hello, Miss Barron's class. I hope you had a fun Easter and a good weekend. Today we're going to give our calendar for April a look, and if you've got yours, we're going to look at all of our days that we wrote. So if you look on our calendar, it said number 1 to write April at the top of the calendar. Check to see if you wrote April 2020 is our year at the top of our calendar. Number 2 said to write the correct numbers in each box to show the days in April. Check to see that you wrote the correct numbers. Remember to skip down to the second row for number 5 and go across that row and keep going until you get to number 30. That's the last day in April. Also, number 3 says how many days are in this month? And our answer should be 30 days. Number 4, what day of the week is Easter on? And Easter was on Sunday the 12th. Number 5, how many Mondays are in the month of April? Let's go down the Monday column and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 Mondays in April. Number 6 says, what month comes after April? And it is May. What do you like best about April? I like Easter best, but you could draw or write on the back of the page whatever you liked best about April. Also in April, we have Earth Day coming up on the 22nd. So we'll be doing an activity for Earth Day. I hope you all were able to do our bunny craft. This is our finished craft. You didn't have all of the materials, just do the best you can, and you can draw the eyes and the nose and the mouth and the whiskers. Doesn't have to be all of these materials, just use what you have at home. Also, I hope you were able to give the volcano egg dyeing experiment a try. If not, try it this week. It's a lot of fun. Our next activity is our daily data. I sent a message to your parents to get you to answer the question. So some of you still need to answer the question as of the time I'm making this video, but we'll look at what we have so far. Our question is, I like to read where? In bed or in a chair, both or neither. Right now, we have one that said they like to read in a chair. We have one that said they like to read both places, in a bed and in a chair. And right now, we have everyone else that have neither, as they haven't voted yet. So be sure you let me know what your vote is, and then we'll get back to our Venn diagram again and get our results. Since April has 30 days, we'll be working with the number 30. So using anything that you have at home, I've got some cereal here, or you can use pennies for your ones. And for the tens, we have 10 stacks at school. You could cut up straws to use as your tens, or pretzel sticks to use as your tens, or you can use dimes for your tens. Okay, we're going to use the number 30. Counting by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, boys and girls, you know what to do when we get to 10 ones. We trade in our ones for 1 10. Now we have 1 10. Let's keep counting. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we have another 10, so what are we going to do? Trade in our ones for 1 more 10. Okay, now we have 2 10s, and that makes 20. Let's keep counting. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we have our next 10. We're going to trade in these ones for another 10. So now we have 3 10s, and that makes 30. Okay, another way to get to 30 is by using your 10s and 1s for the money. So you can count by 1s with your pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then when you get to 10 pennies, you can trade it in for 1 10 cents, which is 1 dime. Okay, and then keep counting until you get to 30. Another way you can count is by 5s. You can use your nickels to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. You can use your tens to count by 30. 10, 20, 30. Okay, so use anything that you have at home and make at least up to 30, but you can go as high as 120 because that's the number that we get to in first grade. Also, the boys and girls know that when we put 10 10s together, that makes 100. So you can use a square if you want to draw for your 100 block, and then quick 10s would be straight lines, and then 1s would be circles, or you could draw little squares. Okay, so if you're drawing it on a piece of paper, 100 would be a square, a quick 10 would be a line, and your 1s would be a circle or a square. Okay, so I hope you all will be able to do at least a little bit of the activity at home using whatever you have at home. And I hope you have a good day and a good rest of the week. See you later. Bye-bye.